Ever feel like your mind is running faster than your life? Like you're always scrolling, chasing, comparing? And still, there's this emptiness inside. I used to feel that too, until I realized peace isn't something you find outside. It's something you build inside. And the good news, you don't need to escape to the mountains or meditate for hours to find it. All it takes are a few small techniques that changed my life, and they might just change yours too. Let's be honest, we live in a noisy world. Our phones buzz more than our hearts do. We're connected to thousands of people online, but disconnected from ourselves. There was a time when I'd wake up and the first thing I'd do was scroll. News, memes, notifications, comparison. And by 9 a.m., my mind was already exhausted. Then one day my mentor asked me a question that hit hard. He said, "If your mind was a room, would you feel safe sitting in it all day?" I had no answer, because I knew the answer. The first technique he taught me was painfully simple. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, sit, breathe, feel the silence. Even just 5 minutes. No music, no noise. Just you and your breath. Sounds boring? At first it was, but slowly it became my favorite part of the day. In that silence, I started hearing my own voice again, not the world's. My thoughts became clearer. My day didn't start in chaos. It started in calm. Second thing that helped, I started what I call a mind dump journal. Every night I'd write down everything that was cluttering my head. No structure, just a brain spill. It felt like cleaning my mental room before sleeping. You won't believe how powerful this is until you try it. You sleep lighter, you stop overthinking, you wake up fresh. We live in a world that worships multitasking, but my mentor taught me the art of doing one thing at a time with complete attention. When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. When you talk to someone, really listen. This sounds too simple to matter, but trust me, it builds focus. And with focus comes peace. Because peace isn't in the absence of noise. It's in your ability to stay still within the... Look, I'm not perfect. I still get anxious, distracted, overwhelmed. But now I have tools, and they're free. No apps, no subscriptions, just presence, intention, simplicity. Inner peace isn't a luxury anymore. It's a survival skill. And if you don't protect your mind, the world will own it. If any of this resonated with you, even a little, don't just nod. Try it. Try one technique for a week, then come back and tell me how it felt. And hey, if this video gave you a moment of stillness or clarity, share it with a friend who needs a breath. And subscribe, because this journey toward a calmer mind, we're walking it together. You've got this, one moment at a time, one breath at a time.